Hi, I'm Jason from Bedfont Scientific Limited, and I'm here to introduce you to the Breathacise lung exerciser. When you receive the product, you'll get a quick start guide which will help you to assemble and use your Breathacise, and then inside you'll find the main unit and attached to the side a mouthpiece. Once you've taken your Breathacise out of all the packaging, you just need to take your mouthpiece and connect the round end to the front of the Breathacise on the right hand side. Make sure it's nice and tight to make a good air seal. I'm now going to show you how to do a test. I've set my level to 1500 on the Breathacise, and that's indicated by the little red notch at the bottom of the hoop. Pick the Breathacise up and making sure that it's nice and level and that the basketball is also in the cradle at the bottom. Then inhale and make sure you keep the indicator between the arrows on the right hand side, and hopefully bring the ball into the hoop. Like so. As you feel your current level getting easier, you can increase the incentive by lifting up the hoop more. We'd love to see your progress on our Breathacise social media. Thanks for watching.